Hello, everybody. This is Gary Full from LTG Trading LLC, a commodity broker from the Chicago area. We're about to begin a series of webinars, about 10 webinars, that will talk about the various aspects of Richard D. Wyckoff's work. The purpose of this mini-series, as I like to call it, is to be encapsulating the processes of Wyckoff and showing specific examples of what and where and how to look for trading using Wyckoff Principles. I think this has been the best series that I've done, and as every year goes by, I believe they improve with more information on what people really want to understand and what's the best way to disseminate information. It's very important to try to get from the classical Wyckoff to the practicality of Wyckoff. They could be different at times. And the purpose of this is to bridge the gap between the theory, schematics of Wyckoff to actually trade the market behavior. I believe very strongly about reading the tape of markets. And as we go through these webinars and lectures, what will be very, very important is to understand that how to read the tape versus just looking for something in the perfect world. So when there's something that is maybe not a perfect setup, but how to interpret the setup in order to have a good risk to reward type of trade. As we know, the trading is very risk oriented, and the majority of people do lose in trading commodities, but we want to gather knowledge of the markets. It is said that about 30% of people that trade, about 30% make actual winning trades, and the rest do not make trades that are winning trades. If you go 3 out of 10 trades that are winning trades, well, if you're a baseball player and you get 3 hits out of 10, that's 300. That probably gets you a $25 million contract. Trading, unfortunately, is not a matter of percentage of wins that will give you profitability or loss, but one in which, from a risk control standpoint, is important. And we'll talk about risk management in one of these future webinars. The purpose of course number 1 or webinar number 2 is basically talk about